For years, women have been asking us, how do I open my bracelet? We explained that you slide your fingernail into this area of the clasp and press. But unfortunately, this procedure often tears the fingernail or rips the edge of the nail, ruining even the nicest manicure. Some women have acrylic nails, which are too thick to insert into the clasp. Because of this thickness, it's difficult for them to open up their clasp as well. To aid women with this problem, we've developed and designed a clasp opener that is thin enough to insert into the clasp and strong enough to pop open the clasp. Because it's made of a strong acrylic, it won't scratch the sterling silver or gold clasp, and it won't damage the clasp in any way, therefore helping you keep your beautiful manicure and letting your nails grow strong and long.